Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning Agile Business Analysis and Scrum Methodology. Agile methodologies have transformed the way businesses develop products and manage projects. Business analysts, BAs, play a critical role in Agile teams, helping to refine requirements, support sprint planning, and ensure continuous value delivery. This class explores Agile frameworks, the Scrum methodology, and essential tools used in Agile business analysis. By the end of this class, you will understand Agile frameworks, Scrum, Kanban. Learn about Scrum roles, Scrum Master, Product Owner, Development Team. Explore user stories and acceptance criteria. Gain insight into backlog refinement and sprint planning. Learn about Agile tools, Jira, Trello. Introduction to Agile frameworks, Scrum, Kanban. Agile is a flexible, iterative approach to project management and software development. Instead of following a rigid plan, Agile teams work in small, incremental cycles to deliver value continuously. Scrum framework. Scrum is the most widely used Agile framework. It follows fixed-length iterations called sprints, usually 1 to 4 weeks, and relies on team collaboration, transparency, and continuous improvement. Key characteristics of Scrum. Time-boxed sprints. Defined roles, Scrum Master, Product Owner, Development Team. A prioritized backlog of tasks. Regular meetings, daily stand-ups, sprint planning, sprint review, retrospective. Kanban framework. Kanban focuses on visualizing workflow and limiting work in progress, WIP, to improve efficiency. Key characteristics of Kanban. A Kanban board for tracking tasks, to do, in progress, done. Continuous delivery instead of time-boxed sprints. Focus on minimizing bottlenecks and improving flow. Example. A Scrum team developing a mobile app might work in 2-week sprints, delivering small features each time. Meanwhile, a Kanban team in a customer support department may continuously process tickets without fixed iterations. Scrum roles, Scrum Master, Product Owner, Development Team. Scrum defines 3 key roles that drive the process. Scrum Master acts as a servant leader for the team. Ensures adherence to Scrum principles. Facilitates meetings, stand-ups, sprint planning, retrospectives. Removes roadblocks hindering the team's progress. Product Owner, PO. Defines the product vision. Manages the product backlog, prioritizing tasks based on business needs. Works closely with stakeholders to gather requirements. Development Team. Cross-functional group responsible for delivering working features. Includes developers, testers, designers, and analysts. Self-organizing, decides how to complete tasks. Example. In a software project, the product owner gathers customer needs, the Scrum Master facilitates team discussions, and the development team builds and tests the product. User stories and acceptance criteria. User stories are a way of defining requirements from the end user's perspective. They help Agile teams focus on delivering value. Structure of a user story. A user story follows this format. As a user type, I want to feature, so that, benefit. Example. As a customer, I want to reset my password so that I can regain access to my account. Acceptance criteria. These are conditions that must be met for a user story to be considered complete. Example. For the password reset story, acceptance criteria might include: user receives a reset email within 5 minutes. The reset link expires after 24 hours. User must enter a strong password. Clear acceptance criteria help developers and testers ensure quality. Backlog refinement and sprint planning. The product backlog is a prioritized list of work items. It needs regular updates to ensure it reflects the most important tasks. Backlog refinement. The product owner and team review and update backlog items. Tasks are clarified, broken down and prioritized. Sprint planning. The team selects backlog items to work on for the upcoming sprint. Tasks are estimated and assigned. The sprint goal is defined. Example. If a team is building an e-commerce website, backlog items might include: add payment gateway integration, improve mobile responsiveness, implement order tracking. The team selects priority tasks for the next sprint based on business goals. Tools for Agile business analysis: Jira, Trello. Agile teams rely on project management tools to track progress. Jira, popular tool for Scrum teams, helps manage user stories, sprints, and bug tracking. Supports Agile workflows like Scrum and Kanban. Trello uses Kanban boards for task tracking. Simple drag-and-drop interface. Ideal for lightweight Agile projects. Example. A team using Jira might have a Sprint 1 board with tasks like develop login page and fix checkout bugs. Meanwhile, a marketing team using Trello might track campaigns with to-do, in progress, and completed lists. Conclusion. In Class 6, we explored Agile methodologies, the Scrum framework, and the role of a business analyst in Agile teams. We covered key concepts like Scrum roles, user stories, sprint planning, and backlog refinement, along with essential tools like Jira and Trello. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.